Hello everyone, this is size 14 Babla sock and thread. I'm using light olive. As usual, I'm going to start below the eye and just go back just to give a little taper shape. Also, I will explain all the material. Go back a couple of times to shape up the body. Keep going just around the bend. Okay, the tail I'm using is actually these are Grizzly cock Hackle. So just about a body length. Take your time again. That's fine. And for the body, I'm using this is a clear stretch. This is a lime color actually, just to give a little natural effect on the body. So if you catch it and then use your touch and turn all the way, keep coming up. In fact, you can cut this off a little shorter and all the way. Now level up the body again. That's fine. And just bring gently the stretchy material. Keep coming up. And that's enough because we need a space for a hackle and wings. So once you've done that, we need a little wax on the thread. And you can split it. And I'm going to catch, this is like a white CDC, actually dun color, so grayish white, just a very little amount of feather if you catch them, and then kind of spin your bobbin, scare them. That's okay. Now if you come back, fold them backward, and secure them. Alright, I'm going to add some wings. So these are Mallard feather from left and right, so if you can just put them on top, and just a little shorter than tail. Create a pinch and loop a couple of times. Obviously, if you're not happy, you can come back. just take away this extra piece. Fold everything backward and just burn all this fluff, and then form the head. You need a nice head here, then you can work with the wings. I'm just gonna whip finish. Also, the wings are, make sure they're just sitting nice, but obviously in one cast, two cast, they'll just go all over. So there we have another variation of blue-winged olive wet fly. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.